Every delicious ice cream begins its journey inside a world of precision, cleanliness, and innovation.
Fresh milk and cream arrive daily, forming the foundation of every frozen treat.
Every ingredient is carefully tested to guarantee purity, safety, and consistency.
The perfect recipe is blended with precision to create the signature ice cream base. Pasteurization eliminates harmful bacteria while preserving flavor and quality.
Homogenization creates the smooth, creamy texture loved around the world.
The mixture is carefully aged, allowing flavors and texture to fully develop.
Rapid freezing locks in creaminess while incorporating air for the perfect consistency.
High-speed automation fills thousands of servings every hour with exceptional accuracy. The final touch transforms every frozen dessert into a delicious masterpiece.
Before leaving the factory, every batch passes strict quality checks to ensure the same perfect taste every time.
After production, every ice cream product enters a precision packaging system designed to protect freshness and quality. Temperature-controlled storage keeps every product frozen and ready for delivery around the world.
From the factory floor to freezers around the world, a carefully controlled journey protects every delicious bite. Behind every scoop is a journey of science, technology, and craftsmanship, transforming simple ingredients into moments of happiness.